Hey everyone, today we have a tutorial for the song Bella Ciao. It's a straightforward song. It's not a waltz, so it should be a little bit easier to pick up. Let's do an understanding of the chords, a play-through exercise, I'll say the notes out loud, and then some playing tips. So the song is in D minor. Let's play it in D minor. You should be able to play a D minor. D minor, D minor, D minor, D minor, to G minor, to D minor, to A major, to D minor. 3 chords in the song. There might be a D major in there, so know it as well, but otherwise D, G, A, D. Great. Let's go ahead and do the melody. Again, this is a straightforward song. It's straightforward because the D minor that we're doing, which is A, D, and F, are the notes to the chord, and they're the notes to the melody of the song. So it starts off like this. We'll do a playback. I'll play a portion, you play it back. It goes like this. Again. You try. And again, just if you notice, A, D, and F is a form of D minor, right? There it is. So that happens twice. 3 times. Right, so the 3rd time it goes like this. You try that whole line. And again, we wind up on the A, which is the D minor again. Then we go again. Why is that B flat there? Because we've come down to a G minor. And that's the D, G, and B flat. Right? So just the melody. Then down. Again. You try. To end it. Again. Last few notes. Back to D minor. The whole last phrase. That's the song. Let's play it together. I'm just going to say the notes quickly as I play them. A, D, E, F, D. A, D, E, F, D. A, D, E, F, E, D, F, E, D, A, G, A, B flat, A, G, B flat, A, G, F, E, A, F, E, D. Good. The left hand is straightforward. It's a straightforward. I'm going to do an alternate bass technique. D minor, D minor, still D minor, to G minor, to D minor, to the A major, to D minor. That's the song. The way that they fit together is right, so the F and the bass happen together. And the switch, and the switch. Now, some playing notes. That was a simple version. Let's do a version that's a little bit more complicated. So, we have the D minor here. D7. Right, that's a D major. D7 with a C and the D7 on your left hand. It works well because there's tension that needs to be resolved to the G minor. To D minor, A. Let's do an A7 there. Again, resolves nicely to the D minor. You can also tag it to the D7 again. Over and over again. Now, something else we can do for the more advanced player is in this part, G minor, C7, F major, walk down to D minor, right? So, G minor, C major, to F major, to D minor, da da da, A to the D minor again, to G minor, C to F, D minor, to A major, to D minor. Yeah, that's the song. Again, not difficult, a nice beginner song. I would rate it on a 3 or 4 out of 10. Depends how complicated you want to make it. Give it a try. Let me know if you have any questions.